Hello everyone, I am Siddhant and today I am going to show you step by step how you can both download and install new fonts on your PC for free. So first of all you have to go to your browser and go to the website called daffonts.com. For those of you who don't know the spelling of daffonts.com, search for dafont.com and then hit enter. Now, as you all can see, we have entered to the website called daf1.com, and here you can scroll down and see the very stylish fonts. So if you know the name of that font, you can even search. Like I know of one font called Pacifico, which I have already installed, but let me show you how we can download and install some new fonts. So I really like this font called Sometime. It's a strange name, but I like it. Let's download it by clicking on this download button, and it will download in a zip file. And let me tell you one thing here, if you do not have WinRAR software, you have to download and install this software. If you want the step-by-step guide, you can click on the icon above to see that video. Now let me go to my downloads folder and let me select it and right click and let me click on extract and it will extract now. Let me open this folder, and now here as you all can see here, this type of folder you have to find that says true type font file, and you have to right click, copy it, go to your drive where your Windows is installed, go to your Windows folder, then go to this fonts folder, and here you have to paste that copied file here. Okay, it is loading, let it load, and right click and click on paste. Now it will automatically install that font. Now if you want to check whether this font is installed on your PC or not, you can open any Microsoft product such as Word, and let me open this Word and check. Okay, now let me go to blank document and let me here in the font, this font search box, let me type Sometime. Okay, hooray, we have now this font.
Thank you.
Now I can just write the text of this font like subscribe to Siddhant Edu Tech. Thanks for watching.